Hello and welcome to another tablet tutorial with Mr. Ivan. Now, I've been getting quite a few phone calls and text messages saying, please help, the tablet isn't recognizing the flash drive. So this video is to help you if you're having that problem. What we're going to do, first thing, is way at the bottom of my screen, there's a triangle, a circle, and a square. Go ahead and poke the square. Okay, now a bunch of apps have popped up. You've probably been opening some different apps, looking at different things, but all this junk slows down my device. So I'm going to take my finger and pull down until at the upper right, I see a little button that says clear all. Poke that. All right, now I'm going to grab the flash drive and actually pull it out of the device. Now that I've pulled it out of the device, I'm going to push it back in and push it really hard until it clicks. Click. There it goes. Now, on the app screen, I'm going to look for the orange folder that says Files. Here it is. I'm going to poke that. All right, now it says Downloads. Now, if you visited my class website, you might have some downloads on your computer or on your tablet. Otherwise, you probably don't. So I'm going to press the 3 lines, and a gray box appears on the side. Images, video, audio. Look for the thing that says POSLES 5-, and then it's a different number for each of you. That stands for Peridot-Our Saviors Lutheran Elementary School, 5th grade, and then you each have a specific number. Poke that. All right, now your screen turned blue at the top with POSLES 5-, your number. Audio lessons, homework, video lessons, Mr. Ivan's weekly update. Let's poke on the homework. Now, if you are looking at it, you've got 6 pieces of homework this week. Let's try to press on the first one, baseline group test. Now mine automatically takes me to Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you're doing it for the first time, a pop-up's going to come up that says Adobe Acrobat or Docs. Choose Adobe. Then an ad's going to pop up that says, welcome to Adobe Acrobat. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to clear that out. Then you've got your test. I've got a different video that shows you how to complete your test. Go ahead and back to the playlist and watch that. Well, now I want to listen to one of the lessons. So I'm going to press the gray square at the bottom, press the gray circle. I'm going to find the orange file again, poke that. Oh, it says homework, great. But I want to listen to a lesson. So I'm going to poke homework, poke POSLES, find audio files, poke that. And now I'm going to poke the first one.
Mystery
and there it is.
History.
Now if I want to pause it, I'm going to put my finger by the camera, drag down, see the orange traffic cone?
Creation is
I can press pause or play. This is actually your first history lesson. Let's listen to a little bit more. Play.
Amazing topic that far surpasses our understanding.
Pause. I can do that for each lesson and listen to Mr. Ivan tell each one. Now I'm going to press, or actually scroll up to get rid of that. If you want to watch a video lesson, you actually have to leave this folder, press the circle down at the bottom, look for the orange and white traffic cone, press on that, and I've got another video about how to get the videos to play on here. Hey, and since I was just listening to the audio file,
for ages, man has asked the question.
It can still come up. All right, I hope you learned from this tutorial. If not, reach out with some questions and I can try to help you through.